Have you ever noticed this? You drop just a tiny bit of sugar and within minutes, ants appear from nowhere. No GPS, no Google Maps, no eyesight like humans. So how do ants always find sugar? Today, let's uncover the real science behind this everyday mystery. Are ants lucky? Most people think ants just get lucky, but that's not true. Ant colonies constantly send out scout ants in all directions. These ants roam around all the time, even when you don't notice them. Their only job is simple: find food and report back. So when you drop sugar, the chances are an ant was already nearby. The real secret: pheromones. Here's where it gets interesting. When a scout ant finds sugar, it doesn't rush to eat it all. Instead, it releases a chemical signal called a pheromone while returning to the nest. This pheromone acts like an invisible road. Other ants smell this trail using their antennae, which are extremely sensitive. They follow the trail straight to the sugar. More ants walking the same path means more pheromones, and that's how a long ant line is formed. How ants choose the shortest path. Here's the crazy part. If there are two paths to the sugar, ants try both. But the shorter path gets used more, so it gets more pheromones. Slowly, all ants switch to the fastest route, without thinking, planning, or leadership. This system is so efficient that scientists use it to design traffic systems, delivery routes, and even internet algorithms are based on this. It's true that ants inspired modern technology. Can ants see or hear sugar? Ants don't see sugar like we do. Their eyesight is very weak. Instead, they rely mostly on smell. They can also taste using their feet. The moment an ant steps on sugar, its sensors instantly detect it. For ants, smell is more powerful than sight. Why ants come back even after cleaning? Ever clean the floor but ants still return to the same spot? That's because the sugar is gone, but the pheromone trail remains. Other ants keep following that invisible chemical path. That's why just wiping isn't enough. To stop ants, you must break the scent trail. Ant colonies equals superintelligence. An ant colony doesn't behave like individual insects. Together, they act like a single intelligent system. One ant alone isn't smart, but thousands of ants communicating together are. This is called swarm intelligence. No boss, no leader, just perfect coordination. Conclusion. So ants don't magically find sugar. They use constant exploration, chemical communication, and collective intelligence. Tiny creatures, but incredibly smart. If you love discovering real science hidden in daily life, subscribe to Iginnie.